Let that one sink in for you. If you feel like you've never fit in, it's because you were born to stand out. But standing out is scary. Standing out requires going first, maybe being the one to I mean, if you stand out in, let's say, an army, right? You're the one who's going to take some arrows. You're the one who's going to possibly have to deal with whatever adversity there is first because you're leading from the front. You can't lead from the back. That's not leading. So if you're here because you feel like you're a leader and you feel like you want to have a ripple of impact in your life, in the lives of the people you care about, you have to lead from the front, which means you might have to take a few arrows. But luckily, these days, starting an online business, arrows come in the form of comments on social media, come in the form of other people's opinions who aren't necessarily living the life that you would want for yourself. So why take advice from people who don't have the results? Am I right? Why do we listen to people who don't have the results?